guys, Alex here, Reject Rides. Came for a little cruise in the single cab. Get something. So we're gonna start removing these visors. I say, Hail Mary. Alright, so to take the side cover off with the handle, this handle right here, it has 4 screws that are 7 millimeters. You got to take those off before you can take this piece off. On the other side, on the driver's side, you can just pull it off as well. That one don't have any screws. The visors, you got 2 Phillips screws on each visor. Alright guys, to take this the little inside dome light off, it has these little clips right here. All you gotta do is just kind of like stick a like a flathead screwdriver or something in one of these little pockets and pry it up, and they'll come off. And then it has a total of 3 Phillips screws to take it off. The visors have 2 Phillips screws as well on both of them. And then right here where it holds the middle of the visor has 1. These little hooks. This also has 1 Phillips screw on each one. And I think I'm ready to take it off. You gotta take it off little by little, I guess. I don't know, but it should come off with once you remove this plastic, or not plastic, this rubber. Should come off. It might be stuck on there since it's an old truck. So it actually came off pretty easy. We still got this foam on here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know if I'm gonna take it off or I'm gonna leave it on there. I gotta see if it sticks on there with the adhesive. But for right now, it looks okay.